Week 11 of the horse shelter build here at Long Shadows rolls in with the gutters installed, the water tank fitted and the downpipes all in place. So this week, Pete turned his attention to the finer details that really bring the whole build together. Been finishing the installation of the internal walls and carefully shaping the corrugated iron to wrap cleanly around the external corners. The tack room door has been installed, the gate latch to bay 4 has gone in, and everything is lining up beautifully. The whole structure is starting to feel solid, intentional, and ready for use. Now that the tack room is officially vermin-proof, we've begun planning the internal fit-out. We're mapping out where the large sink will go, the workbenches, and the head height shelving for storing oils and supplements. There'll be space to stack hay bales off the floor on pallets, spots for feed bins, and wall hooks for bridles, horse coats, ropes. All the everyday gear that needs to be easy to grab. We're also planning dedicated areas for saddles and the rest of the tack, so everything has a proper home. No matter which angle you look at this build from, it's looking incredible. A real testament to Pete's craftsmanship and the care he puts into every detail. And there we have it. Week 11 done and dusted. Join us for week 12 as we keep pushing toward the finish line of the Long Shadows horse shelter build. See you then.